She is a traditional business owner, 2018 Lifestyles Awardee of Consistency and Productivity, year 2019 Life Builders Club Ambassador Awardee, and Lifestyles Rising Star Awardee. My God, summa cum laude, 90-day momentum program batch 4, and 2023 Lifestyles Awardee of Digital Ambassador. My God, please help me welcome Global Marketing Director Susan Shabion.
Yes, yun nga, ibig sabihin, when the product is good, the business is done. Yes, bakit? Kasi nowadays, mas maganda talaga ang profit, no, kaysa salary. At ang dami pong yumayaman, no, na nagbi-business rather than just being an employee. Totoo ba? Pero, you know what, hindi lang basta-basta din ang business. Kailangan may system. So, ang question is, what are the top business opportunities of the 21st century? So, ang sagot dyan, ito, wellness and network marketing. Bakit? These are the two industries creating real income for millions of people worldwide. Meaning to say, ang dami po talagang yumayaman, no, with this type of industry. Here's why network marketing works. Number one, minimal lang po ang startup cost. This is a real business that anyone can afford. Here guys, you don't need millions to earn millions. Ang dami pong yumayaman dito, no, from rags to riches. Dito talaga is for everyone, no? And number two, residual income. Dito kasi you only build it once and you get paid for years or for a lifetime. You just embrace the system, magpaturo ka, you will be mentored all the way, magpaturo ka lang, and you only build it once, and my God, you know, you get paid month after month after month and for years. Number three, you be your own boss. Maganda ba ang walang boss? Here, no office politics, at ito, you are the business owner. Ikaw po ang may-ari sa negosyo mo. Okay? Number four, ang reason bakit network marketing works. Proven business model. This is practiced. Ibig sabihin, this is practiced by millions of people worldwide, trusted and time proven. Ang maganda, we're so proud kasi Lifestyles, grabe po, going on 38 years, successful, long years. So saan ka pa, who could go wrong, no? Sa 38 long years. Number five, income without limits. Ano ba ibig sabihin? Dito kasi, the bigger your network, the bigger your income. Dito, padamihan ng business partners, padamihan ng product users, at ayun na, automatically, the bigger your income will be, of course, no, ang mai-earn mo dito. Okay? And ito ang pinakagusto ko, and I'm sure gusto ninyo ito sa mga guests natin, transferable po ang negosyo natin. If you join with us, no, this business, a business for your family, your family can inherit. Meaning to say, kung mawala tayo someday, kasi wala naman talaga ditong magstay forever, but your family, your kids can inherit your business. Transferable and willable talaga. Amazing ba? Of course, amazing. Now, how to become a business owner here, or how to be a distributor? Of course, I would like to introduce to you our packages. The first package is Instant Direct. This Instant Direct, this is the best package if ikaw ay isang negosyante. Bakit? Ito, bibigyan ka ni Lifestyles ng 30% outright discount. So your investment, ganito yan ha, your investment is only 101,960 pesos. But the products that you will get is worth 142,800 pesos. May profit na ba? Of course, ang laki talaga. Plus, meron pang free kasi dito, ang iinumin natin sa distributor, libre talaga. So with this package, 9 bottles free, that is worth 16,200. So your profit and savings is 57,040 pesos. ROI is 56%. Ang ganda ba? Maganda ba na package? If you have to ask me, yes, the best package. Now, ma'am, malaki yan. Do you have any other package? Of course, we do. No, ito yung Express Direct package. Okay, promo lang to ha. So kaya hurry talaga. Express package, you will be given a 20% outright discount ni Lifestyles. Your investment is only 62,480 pesos. What you will get is 9 Better Together kits amounting or worth or mabenta natin yan ng 75,600 pesos. Again, may profit na already, right? At meron ka pang 3 bottles intra-free that is worth 5,400. So your profit and savings is 18,520 pesos. In 1 month, you can, no? Pwede mo talagang makuha yung profit na yan. So your ROI is 30%. Now, either of these two packages, no, you will become an independent business owner. You will become a Lifestyles distributor. And ang maganda, you will enjoy the highest discount, the 40% discount on your next purchase. Plus, meron ka pang 1 million personal accident death insurance or up to 100,000 hospital reimbursement. So meaning to say, may peace of mind talaga ang family natin dito. Amazing ba? Amazing talaga. Okay, yes or yes? Yes. Now, dito guys, no, bakit ang laki talaga ng income? Because here we have 5 streams of income. No? Ang kikitain talaga natin. Number 1, retail profit, which is 20 to 40%. Meron pang wholesale profit, 10 to 20%. On top of it, meron pa tayong fast track bonus na 4%. On top of it, another royalty bonus, the 4 to 6%. And of course, grabe talaga dito guys, the organizational bonus, 1 to 3%. So meaning to say, more bonuses, more income. Maganda ba ang business? Maganda talaga. No? Okay? So ano pa ba? Yeah, so your earning potential, I will show it to you guys here. Number 1, the retail profit. So if you can share intra, no? For example, no? You can share intra 1 bottle, your retail income is 720 pesos. Malaki na ba yan? Yes, malaki. Mas malaki pa sa minimum salary. What if you will be able to share 1 Better Together kit in a day? Even just in a day, your profit or your retail profit is 3,360 pesos. Amazing? Amazing talaga. What else? Number 2, check per package. Dito guys, chika-chika, because this is a word of mouth type of business also, which is the best promotion of your business. Chika-chika, check it after, right? So per Express Direct package na may mag-sign up sa iyo, you will be given by the Lifestyles 14,000 pesos. Every time na may mag-sign up sa iyo ng Instant Direct package, you will be getting 16,000 pesos. Malaki ba? Malaki. Icing lang yan, no? Icing lang yan ng cake. Super laki talaga. Now the third income here is the royalty bonus. Royalty bonus, ito pong hindi mo pinaghirapan. Ito po yung kikitain mo, natutulog ka, nagsha-shopping ka, you're traveling anywhere. So how is the royalty bonus earned? Paano ba? Has to start from you. You talaga, yung nasa screen, ikaw yan, ikaw nandito ngayon. No, this is for you. Okay? With the system, tutulungan, sasamahan ka, makakita ka ng anim na magsa-sign up under you. Okay? Now, with that 6, again, duplication kasi ito, kopya-kopya business, easy lang. Tutulungan, sasamahan, hindi rin sila papayag na hindi sila makahanap ng tiga-6 nila. So, your 6, that will become 36. Your 36, that will become 216, 1,296 until such time, maybe in 3 to 5 years time, aabot yan, perfect duplication, follow the system, aabot yan ng 9,330 total of network of users and distributors under your organization. Now guys, here is the amazing part. According to Lifestyles, kahit 20% lang ang maiwan dyan kasi yung 9,330, hindi lahat magpapatuloy, but kahit lang, no, 20%, and that 20% is 1,866 people, o order lang yan ng 3 tickets a month, so meaning to say, hindi nagbe-business, okay? This is your royalty bonus, whether you like it or not, no? Royalty bonus, sabay tayong basahin dyan, no? 1,511,400 460 pesos month after month after month. Amazing ba? Meron tayong mga GMDs dito that's earning more than that. Times 2, times 3, times 4 pa sa nasa screen natin. Amazing? Amazing talaga. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang maganda dito? So dito guys, when you join ito, no? Tatanungin ka, what do you want to be? And how much would you like to earn? Tayo po ang mag-create ng income natin dito because kung anong sipag mo, iyon din, no? Ang kikitain mo. Ang super laki talaga. So dito, if you are an independent distributor, pwede kang kikita ng up to 20,000 pesos a month. Direct distributor, 20 to 40,000 a month. Working, of course, regional director, 40 to 75,000 a month. Executive director, working po, kasi you are a business owner here, you work for your business, 75 to 200,000. National marketing director, ito na po yung mga elite leaders and up, no? 200 to 500,000. International marketing director, 500 to 1 million, and global marketing director, 1 million and up. When I started here 9 years ago, 35 or 36 lang po, no? Ang global marketing directors, but now more than 100 na po kaming mga global marketing directors. What does it mean? It means that the business is true, the opportunity is real. Okay? But we need only 3 keys to success to get to that GMD ship. Okay? To be successful here, kailangan meron lang tayong dreams, no? Importante talaga yung big why, yung rason natin. Number 2, willing to work. Ano bang work dito? Ang work dito is to do the mission, to help more people. Kasi this is a helping people business. Number 3 is be teachable. Paturo tayo because everything is in place. Nagawa na yan, carpeted na po lahat. All we have to do is just to follow the system and embrace the system. If meron ka nun, ng 3 na yan, requirements na yan, you can step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. Okay? Yes or yes. So how did I started here? I started here year 2017, not because about the business, but because of my health challenges. I am married to Canadian national. I am a traditional business owner. I used to own a restaurant, bar, and hair salon in Mexico. No, but due to unhealthy lifestyle, kasi I used to party a lot. I was never a supplement believer. No, very stressful. Grabe talaga. Yung katawan ko, nag-bug down yung immune system ko, na-diagnose ako ng autoimmune disease. I was allergic to dust mite. I have lumps on my breast, nagka-problema sa thyroid. I had myoma. Grabe, may doctors in Mexico, doctors in Canada, synthetic meds, pero wala talaga nangyari. Nag-depression ako. I told my husband, I wanna go back to the Philippines, no? So pag uwi ko dito, ayun na, no? Lahat pong mga supplement na nasa market, I tried everything. And I used to fly to Makati Med kasi injectable na pong binigay sa akin sa mga sakit ko, no? Sa dust mite ko, sa psoriasis ko. But you know what? Walang nag-work. It did not work. Ang dami kong doctor sa Cebu. But you know what? One day, I prayed so hard to the Lord, the big man. Sabi ko, Lord, give me another chance. I've tried everything. Please help me. Sana makahanap ako. And thank God, year 2017, may nag-ask lang po na isang pari, no, to help someone, no, na operahanan. And to make the long story short, hindi po natuloy yung operation niya sa thyroid. And curious po ako, I was inviting them over to my house. Ano po yung iniinom? Bakit hindi natuloy? At ito po yung amazing Better Together kit ng Lifestyle. Yun po pala ang ininom. So sabi ng asawa ko, na-scam daw ako. I told my husband, I don't care if ma-scam ko. I have to take the products. Kailangan kong gumaling. No? But thank God, sabi nung nag-introduce sa akin, Ma'am, damihan mo lang ng inom because the higher the dosage, the faster the effect. So I did it. And thank God, magna 9 years na po ako ngayon. No more synthetic meds. Thank you, Lord. No? And my blockbuster story, my husband, year 2018, September 4, he was due for angioplasty. No, 2 arteries sa heart, barado. But thank God, no synthetic drugs, only these products. He was already inside the operating room. The doctor did another angiogram. And thank God, one of the doctors came out and sabi, Ma'am, Sir Tim no longer need angioplasty. We were able to save 500,000 pesos. You know? And in 2024, no, my husband was diagnosed colon cancer stage 2 kasi it runs in his genes, no? Ang mama niya, no, had colon cancer, yung kapatid niya, but thank God, because of these amazing products, kasi hindi siya nakasurvive sa chemotherapy. Only one time yung chemotherapy, we stopped it because almost chugi na siya. But we opt to talagang tinake niya the higher dosage, high dosage talaga of Intra and Nutria. And of course, the rest of the products, cardio and fiber, ngayon po, cancer-free yung asawa ko. My God, amazing talaga. And my mama used to be in and out sa ospital. Ngayon po 9 years kasi diabetic, no? Diabetic kasi siya, ang taas ng cholesterol. But 9 years, hindi na po nakabalik ng ospital. Amazing talaga. So, ginawa ko ang mission, no? Ginawa ko ang mission, after mission. At ayun nga, no, nag-grow po ang business, nag-grow po yung network ko. So, ibig lang sabihin, nag-i-income na rin ako. I earned my first 1 million year during the pandemic time because of this amazing product. No? And then I acquired my own car, no, my first car, of course, the Montero Sport. I have properties after properties, and amazingly, no, kasi ito talaga pinaka-blockbuster, no? I was able to restore my teeth, no, 11 implants, lahat zirconia yan, 1.7 million pesos. Thank you, Lifestyles, no, for me to be able to achieve my dreams, kasi isang dream lang yan, no? So my mentors, hindi ako magaling, my goodness, no? Walang magaling sa umpisa, but don't you worry, sa mga guests natin, don't you worry, because we have mentors here. We will be guided, we will be mentored all the way, okay? Yun yung mga nasa screen. Ang mentor ko, Jem De Eva, started with 10,000 now hotel owners. Jem De Lenor Abing, a high school graduate, no? My mentor, can you imagine? High school graduate, now a multimillionaire because of this business. Local and international travels, grabe ang dami. We just got back from Boracay. Ang grabe, ang gaganda talaga, no? All free, no, from Lifestyles. Kung hindi man libre, you will be able to afford na, kasi monthly po ang income natin, basta we have to do this seriously. My big why is my family. I'm not worried if I passed away, because I can transfer my business to them. You know, so thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. Personality growth, my God, wala akong masabi. Dati din akong nagmamadyong, nagtutungit, nagpa-party lang, walang kabuluhan ng mga ginagawa. But because of Lifestyles, no, na iba ako, nagiging inspiring na, no? Dati mahiyain din, pero ngayon hindi na po. Wala na pong hiya, kasi all I want is to help more people. Okay, yes sir, yes. What else, no? Taking care. Ito, I do believe that taking care of my physical health, kasi na-value ko talaga ang physical natin, ang health natin. For me, because our greatest asset is our body. My God, no? Amazing talaga. We really have to take our health, our body, because everything else will follow. Okay, so ano pa ba dyan? So, ayun nga, no, mag-sign up, no, you're here, not for not an accident. You're here for a reason. Humanap ka ng paraan, no? Humanap ka ng paraan, kasi kung gustuhin, ang daming paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Huwag mo itong palalampasin. My goodness, ang opportunity na ito, dahil darating yung araw, no, gigising ka na, matanda ka na, pagod na, may sakit pa, pero ganun pa rin ang buhay mo. At pag dumating ang panahon na yan, baka it's too late for you. So sign up, get instant, get express package, and your life will never be the same. With that, everyone, I hope na inspired ko kayo. I thank you, and may God bless us all.